JB&A, we're your experts in video, broadcast, production, and Pro AV. Now, JB&A knows that finding the right camera is important to you and your clients. We have a wide range of camera support virtually any application you may find yourself into, and the experts that can guide you through making the right decision. So let's walk through some of the options and camera types available right now. PTZ cameras are a popular choice for video conferencing and live event production. They allow the camera to be run by a remote operator or by the person standing in front of it. Box cameras give you the quality of a broadcast camera in a smaller package for times when you need either a single point of view or a fixed angle. These are perfect for esports and training environments that need an overhead camera for product showcases. POV cameras get you into even smaller and more hard-to-reach places with their subcompact designs without sacrificing quality. If your computer doesn't have a webcam or you're ready to make your conference calls look better, these webcams offer wider angles and higher res imaging that can allow you to even zoom in on the conference caller. If your conference room is large enough or has multiple seats, you may want to upgrade to a camera that can pan to where the action is but still be connected through just USB. IP cameras can stream across your network or up to the cloud to make your YouTube videos easier than ever. No production gear required. But if you're ready to make your live events better and are using any production software, you should look at upgrading your cameras to be NDI enabled. With one cable, you can control, power, and transmit your video from the camera to the production switcher. Auto-tracking cameras can make your events or classroom content look even better by following the presenter around the room and on stage without the need for a crew. But when you're ready to create the most stunning production using the same tools as the professionals, then it's time to look at studio cameras. They offer a level of control and image quality that can't be surpassed. And to monitor the rooms and hallways, look no further than security cameras. Small, compact, and ultra-reliable, these 24/7 cameras are designed to keep you informed. And if you're ready to take your production and make it mobile, then choose a camcorder. On a tripod or in your hand, you can take the production anywhere. Capture devices allow you to bring your production camera into any conferencing system you're using and make your calls more engaging than ever before. So before you choose a camera, call us and let our team of experts help you decide which is the right camera for your next production.